Today is all about Black girls in white coats. Melanated women are taking over the medical world, and one of those surgeons is on a mission to remind the next generation of little Black girls that they can do it too. Joining us now is a local breast surgeon at SSM Health DePaul Hospital. We have Dr. Jovita Oruwari. Doc, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. This is just bringing me so much joy. I mean, before we dive in to this book today, tell us a little bit about your journey in becoming a surgeon.
Okay, so my journey, you can actually read in the book, but I have known since I was little, since about the age of 3, that this is what I wanted to do. At least that's what my parents tell me. And, you know, I never wavered. I went through all the things, so high school, college, med school. Decided to do general surgery residency, and while in general surgery, I discovered the passion for breast cancer surgery and did a fellowship, and then was recruited here from Brown University, where I did my fellowship and started practice here. It's been a little over 20 years now. I've been in St. Louis, and it's been amazing.
Well, I love that it's been amazing for you. I mean, like you said, your parents knew from the time you were little, this is what you wanted to do. And there are so many little girls out there who know that they want to be a doctor, they know they want to be in the medical field, but it can be hard to keep going with adversity that you face going through school. Hence, your book, Black Girls in White Coats. I mean, what was the inspiration behind this?
So it's multiple things. First of all, Black women make up less than 5% of all the physicians in the country, which is really a teeny percentage. And, you know, for me, I knew from when I was little, and I had great role models in my family. And for my daughter, who is a child of 2 physicians, it was easy. She knew she was going to do this, and she became a doctor as well. She's a doctor right now. But I see so many other little girls and little boys out there that don't have that same role model or examples in their life that this is something that they could do. And there are people that don't even think that this is a possibility. So, you know, probably started with Barack Obama becoming president and all the little kids seeing him in the office, in the White House, and knowing that, oh my God, if he can be there,
if he can do it, I can
do it too. You know, it gives us hope. So I thought a book like this would give hope to that next generation that may not have hope.
That is awesome. Well, there is so much hope in here. Nearly 60 different testimonials from Black girls in white coats all across the country. Now, Dr. Oruwari, before I let you go, how did writing this book contribute to the work that you're doing at SSM Health DePaul Hospital?
So at SSM, I'm a breast cancer surgeon, and I'm the director of community breast health. So I'm the liaison between our hospital system and the community. I do a lot of health fairs. I talk at churches. I break the news to the community whenever something new comes up in the breast world, which is a passion of mine, just empowering the community. So when I started at SSM, which was right around the pandemic, I noticed that a lot of our people were really hesitant about getting the vaccine and just were unsure and untrusting of the healthcare institution. I was able to sit down and talk to patients one-on-one. And that made such a difference. I was able to convince people who ordinarily would not get the vaccine. I was able to convince them to get the vaccine. So I started to really realize that there is an importance in having people that look like you take care of you. And there's actually data to prove it. You know, people are more likely to take medicines that's recommended by a doctor, by someone that looks like them. People do so much better, you know. So that's all part of the inspiration to write this.
Well, thank you so much for stopping in and sharing this with us today in St. Louis. You can get your hands on this incredible book, Black Girls in White Coats. You can purchase it online at Amazon. It really is inspiring the next generations of Black female doctors that is to come. So Dr. Oruwari, thank you so much for this work. I can't wait to go home, read into this. And again, we just want to remind everybody that you can do anything that you put your mind to out there. No matter what color you are, no matter what you look like, no matter where you've come from, whatever you you want to do, you can do it. St. Louis, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back after this quick break.